Hey guys, thank you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to pick up a Porsche Boxster that's got no wheel. What I'm going to be showing you guys is how to take off a vehicle without a wheel, or you could even use it if you've got brakes, seats, calipers if you ain't got 8-9 people, but you're going to need a rump. So stay tuned for that video. So I put some 4x6 lumber underneath for the time being, so I could get some space to jack it up. There's no wheel. I lowered the ramps down, taking off the ropes for the wheel, and leveled this to as much as possible. I've got a very tight garage here, so I've had to put it as proportional as possible. So I've brought this down to a level. I could just about get this one in there. Well, I'm going to have a problem here. I'm going to jack it from the front, and also I'm going to have a problem here. So what I'm going to need to do is jack one up from the back first, as high as this, take that side up, and then jiggle it around. But what I'm going to do now is jack it up from there and take off the winch. Go ahead and lift this now. Will fall right on. See down there, see down there. If it was going to fall, it's going to fall back onto my bed, but here it goes. Just check you're happy with everything. Okay. Let's take my truck out now. This is just to get it off your bed, but you can mess around with it later. There we have it, guys. Taking off a Porsche with no wheel. It's finished down there. So if you ain't got a forklift and you got a ramp, that's how you take it off. Just keep jacking it, try to get the proportions right, and should get there. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.